Hey guys, welcome back. We're back in the States and we are going to Culinary Dropout today. It's up in North Scottsdale area at the Quarters. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, the video of the menu, guys. Culinary, big brunch spot here in Scottsdale. This is pretty much the menu. Other sites, drinks. See, they got like the ping pong and they got different day drinking games set out. Pretty cool place. All right, guys, went with the wedge salad. It's got so much good stuff on here. Added the chicken. And then Nicole did their chicken chop salad. Lots of money. All right, guys, food was great. I actually preferred Nicole's salad over mine. But yeah, legit food here. It's a fun place if you want to come day drinking. I guess this is the spot, or watch American football. Yeah. Anyways, back in the States. See you next time.